Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are looking at beautiful low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. A good haircut should help you look stylish, feel confident and save time every day. The best hairstyles are easy to care for and still look beautiful with very little effort. Let's look at some wonderful haircut ideas. The first haircut is a classic pixie cut. This is one of the easiest hairstyles to manage. It dries quickly, needs very little styling and always looks neat. You can add a little styling cream or for extra texture if you like. The next style is the layered bob. Layers give the hair more volume and movement and make fine hair look fuller. This haircut is easy to brush and works well for both straight and slightly wavy hair. Another great choice is a shoulder length lob, also called a long bob. It is long enough to tie back when needed but short enough to style quick. It looks elegant and suits many face shapes. The textured crop is perfect for women who want a modern and relaxed look. Soft layers create natural volume, so you don't have to spend much time styling tools. If you have naturally wavy hair, a wavy bob is a wonderful option. Simply let your hair air dry or use a little curl cream to bring out your natural waves. This hairstyle looks fresh and effortless. Another easy haircut is the feathered layered cut. Feathered ends make the hair look fuller and soft light. This style adds movement and gives a youthful appearance without needing much time styling. The chin length bob is another timeless favorite. It is simple, elegant and easy to maintain. You can wear it straight, slightly curled or with a side part for a different look. If your hair is thin or fine, ask your hairstylist for soft layers. Layers can make your hair appear thicker and give it more shape and volume. Grey or silver hair also looks beautiful with low maintenance haircuts. A simple pixie bob or layered can highlight your natural color and gives you a graceful modern style. To keep your hairstyle looking its best, visit your hairstylist every 6 to 8 weeks for a tip. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner and avoid using too much heat on your hair. The most important thing is to choose a haircut that matches your lifestyle. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.